Guys, room tour muna. Kakadating lang namin dito sa Mirage with Sunday. So, kakasama mag-room tour. Okay. Yun ang room. So, we're gonna be staying here for 4 nights and 5 days. Unang bedroom. This is Mirage with Sundays. Apartments. Wardrobe. Toilet. Shower. Bathtub. Ito yung unang room. Parang centralized yung aircon, malamig. Oh, magpa-painting. Okay. Ganda ng lamp. Okay, next is anong room to? Oh, another toilet. Pangalawang toilet. Okay. Living room.
Zach, grab the decorations and.
Hi, son. You like the place?
Good chat. My name's Jake. This is my little bro, Caleb. That's Zach. He's the naughty one. Okay. These two, Caleb, Zach, they keep fighting 24/7. The person who is recording, that's my mom.
Okay, I'm doing a room tour.
Oh, sorry.
All right. First living room. Hi, Zach.
Stop putting the pillows down.
Second living room. And guys, tingnan nyo to. Kitang-kita yung pool. May pool siya na maliit.
Hey, Caleb, no.
Nice.
Don't touch that.
Tapos, ito yung view.
This the same TV.
Overlooking ang malawak na dagat. Ang ganda. And then, yung dining room, malaki siya. Kitchen. Grabe, ang ganda. Anong meron sa kitchen? Okay. And then, microwave and stuff. Okay. Dishwasher. Filtered water. Go to Dad, he knows. And then you've got ito guys, ano siya, fridge, mini fridge. Tapos may pa-fridge din sila dito, and fridge ng mga wine. Ito, hindi ko sure ano to, kung coffee, para ba to sa coffee. Hindi pa ako nakagamit na ito. Anyway. Okay, mga plato. Next is yung anong meron dito. Yan, for family talaga kasi meron ng washer, dryer, sink. Mga panglinis siguro to. Ay, no. Hot water tank. Okay. Moving on. What's in here? Okay, nakalock siya. Next room is alright, another bedroom na may pangatlong toilet. At ewan ko na pangalawa na siguro to na shower. Ang daming toilet at shower dito sa pamamahay na to. Don't touch it. Oh, ang ganda. At ang bango, guys.
Again, go in the
Aesthetic.
It's time to see.
Green na kumot. Oh, may patawel. Good night. Good night. Ako, sinira ang magandang kama. Ayan, maganda ang kanilang pa-wall art. Meron dito. May maliit na balcony. Okay. Come on, Zach. Let's go to the next ano. It's may wardrobe. Ang laki. Hindi namin ini-expect na malaki siya. This way, son. This way. Ito, master's bedroom. Sensya na guys, ang haba ng video. Oops, may vault. Okay, wardrobe ito. Another wardrobe. Kadami namang wardrobe nito. Okay. Master's bedrooms, bathroom. Okay, pang ilan na ba na itong toilet? 4 na siguro. Daming toilet. Diyos ko. Ang lawak niya, guys. Book na kayo dito sa Mirage with Sunday. May bathtub. Naku, pang ilang bathtub na ba to? Pangalawa. Shower doon. Shower dito. Diyos ko. May lahat ng daming shower ng apartment na to. Napaka-spacious. Master's bedroom. Let's go. Dad! Room tour. Are you enjoying your holiday?
It's fun.
Jetstar holiday? Ay, naku. Ang ganda talaga. Yan ang view, guys, from the master's bedroom. Kainit nga lang talaga. Super ganda. Yun lang, guys. Balik na tayo sa living room. Naku, baka di ko mahalap ang mga anak kong lalaki. Ang lalaki kasi ng space. Ano na, Jake? What's going on? Naku. Are you tired? Ay, ito pa pala guys. Hindi ko pa napakita yung entrance sa may pool. O ano kay Leb? Huwag mong iwawala yung remote ha. Alright, let's go. Ang entrance sa pool. Paano ba ito buksan? Diyos ko, nangangain. Dito sa loob. Okay. Swimming pool! Don't jump, ha? Don't jump. Oh, no. Ito, may maliit siyang swimming pool.
Swimming pool.
Siguro warm yung water. It's warm. Ang panglinis ng pool. Ay, nakakatuwa. Grabe, may sariling pool. Okay, let's go. Come on! Anak, no! Put it back! Shh! Naku. Son, don't do that. Leave it there. Leave it there. Don't touch it, okay? Come on, let's go back inside the house. Ayun guys, sana mag-enjoy kami sa vacation kasi hindi lang puro saway sa mga maliliit. Ayun, may barbecue area. Siguro bili lang kami sa Coles ng mababarbecue. And then yun na yung ulam. Kasi hindi ko pa na-explore kung saan, ano bang restaurant maganda dito. Anyway, sana nagustuhan nyo guys ang room tour.
No smoking, please.
Life is good.
Smoking, please. No smoking, please.
No smoking please, tingnan nyo. Marunong magbasa tong si Zach. What's this?
No smoking, please.
No smoking, please. Marunong magbasa yan.
Oh, I said hat.
Okay. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye to the video. Dali. Wala na. Anak, no! Ay, Diyos ko.